Hi, I'm Dr. Benham. I'm a hair loss and hair transplant specialist in Santa Monica. I'm excited to offer the Capillus272 to our patients. I see a lot of hair loss patients. A lot of them wanting to do hair restoration, but unfortunately, most of the patients I see are not candidates for hair transplant. They have not lost enough hair to be a candidate, but they still want to do something for their hair loss. A lot of them are just experiencing rapid shedding or just have some thinning. We do have a lot of medications at our disposal, but most of the time patients just don't want to take oral or topical medications. This is where lasers come in. Lasers have been shown to help out with hair loss. Unfortunately, compliance has always been an issue. The in-office laser devices are too bulky and people require that they have to come into the office 3 times a week for an entire year to get some results. This requires a lot of time, dedication, and investment on part of the patients. Capillus works through this by creating a small hat that is easy to use. It has more laser diodes than the in-office device. People can place it on their head and walk around and perform chores. They're not locked down. And this increases compliance, and by increasing compliance, patients end up having better results. A lot of people ask me, how does the laser hat work in reversing hair loss? In order to understand that, we need to understand the pathophysiology of how hair loss occurs. Well, this is a hair follicle. It's thick and strong. Now, due to DHD and the constriction of blood vessels that provide nutrients and oxygen to it, the hair becomes thinner over time. Well, the thermal energy of the laser is absorbed by this blood vessel, and the blood vessel dilates, allowing for more oxygen and nutrients to reach the hair follicle and reversing this process. Patients at all levels of hair loss can benefit from the laser hat. I recommend it to patients who are experiencing rapid shedding or just have some thinning, and even after hair restoration, I recommend it to maintain one's own care of natural hair. In our practice, I perform microscopic digital pictures as well as global photographs of the scalp before we begin and every 3 months in order to monitor the progress. Although laser hats are not magic, but for those who are dedicated and committed to using the laser hat 3 times a week, will see improvement over the next 1 year.